Hello, this is Chris Mesley. We're at Dartington Estates. It's quite a nice day in September. We're going to be walking today. We're going to be walking following the long route, which takes us down through the woods, past the deer fields. Then we shoot down through the meadows, down to the river Dart. Walks along the river Dart for about a mile, I suppose. And then back up across the fields to this point, back to the car park, Dartington Hall Estates. Okay, better introduce you to my little friend, Roxy. She's on most of my little walks. You'll see her walking along beside me, and so I've got her a couple of treats on the way. Bye bye. So we'll be walking in a minute. That's our route back up that lane. Short route takes you in and around the trees, around the trading area, down to those fields there, which you can see through there, and the deer usually are, but I can't see any at the moment, so we won't bother. Get over a stile just up here, just go around the circles, really, and back to the other again, really. So, I don't think I'll take you in there today. I'll stay out in the sun. Look at the size of the trunk on this oak. Wonder how many 100 years he is. See a furry squirrel quickly up there then, just now. Just scanning the fields for mushrooms. It is September. Last couple of weeks ago I was here and I did pick some there up on the brow. I don't know if they're in there or not, but I did get a couple. There's not much sign of any now.
Oak tree was big. Speech tree. Look at the trunk. See that deer? You would never think that was real, would you? Well, if you can remember, when we were walking along the top side of the hill, I said about the deer field, this is the bottom of the deer field. There are some deer there, with them trees in the middle, just beneath them in the shadow. Hey? What's that growl for? Oh, it's those two people down there, is it? There's rocks. Yeah, I know they are. I've seen them. What's the matter? I can see them. Come on. What's the matter with you, you silly thing? Right. I don't think she can work out what you are. She's been growling at you all the way down. must be because you're sat still, like right in the grass, like. Right. Supposed to be salmon and trout, well, up for there, sea trout. Obviously brownies. Oh, I just seen something small over there, sir. There's definitely fish over there. In that light patch, around that light patch. I don't know if you can see them or not. They're not actually surfacing, they're just turning under the water. Oh, hello duckies. Rocks, get closer. Come here. Who do you think you are? Come here. Oh yeah. Still following the railway line, back to the sea. And the dart. Do all the oak trees. Oh, that these oak trees really, though, aren't they? They're only about 100 years old, some of them, I should have thought. He's not 100 years old.